At the prestigious IDEX 2025 Defense Exhibition in Abu Dhabi, Tata Advanced Systems Ltd, TASL, introduced its latest innovation in armored mobility, the Light Armoured Multi-role Vehicle (LAMV). This unveiling marks a pivotal moment for India's defense industry, showcasing the country's growing expertise in military technology. Designed to adhere to stringent NATO standards, the TASL 4x4 LAMV is expected to make a strong impact on the global armored vehicle sector. Sukaran Singh, CEO and Managing Director of TASL, emphasized that launching the 4x4 LAMV on an international stage underscores India's increasing capabilities in advanced defense manufacturing. This newly developed platform integrates cutting-edge engineering with a robust structural design, making it an ideal solution for both domestic and international military requirements. The LAMV's modular architecture allows for extensive customization, ensuring adaptability to the diverse operational needs of military forces across different nations. Engineered for high performance across varied terrains, the LAMV is built to operate in extreme conditions, from scorching deserts to high-altitude environments. The vehicle boasts a top speed of 100 km per hour, providing rapid mobility for mission-critical deployments. In addition to its impressive agility, the LAMV offers superior ballistic protection compliant with Stanag 3 standards, effectively safeguarding personnel against threats such as machine gun fire and 7.62 mm steel core ammunition. The integration of a condition and usage monitoring system enables predictive maintenance, ensuring long-term operational readiness and reduced downtime. TASL's foray into the land mobility sector comes at a time when the global armored vehicle market is experiencing steady growth. Market projections indicate an increase from $22.28 billion in 2023 to $37.85 billion by 2035, with an annual growth rate of approximately 6%. Drawing from its expertise in aerospace manufacturing, including collaborations with Airbus on the C-295 medium transporter and component supplies for international aircraft manufacturers, TASL is now expanding its reach into the armored vehicle industry. The company has identified key export markets for the LAMV, including the United Kingdom, West Asia, North Africa, and Latin America. The introduction of the LAMV underscores India's commitment to self-reliance in defense production while addressing the evolving needs of modern warfare. By delivering a highly versatile and resilient armored vehicle, TASL aims to redefine battlefield mobility and protection. This new addition to the military vehicle landscape provides armed forces with a reliable, adaptable, and future-ready solution for operational challenges worldwide.